or PCB, are independently developed and designed in our manufacturing facilities. Our cutting-edge welding process and skilled staff ensure that our PCB are 100% qualified before VSD assembly. For different power of power board and control board, there is a corresponding test mode. After the PCB automatic test system is embedded, it is tested automatically by the system. After passing the test, the PCB should be marked and placed into the 3 defenses. Fully automatic UV curing coating equipment provides our PCB with excellent protection against mold, moisture, and sound spray. This improves the performance stability of our products in complex environments. Each coated PCB undergoes a strict UV lamp inspection. Our manufacturing facility adopts an assembly line operation mode. Each station is equipped with a liquid crystal display SOP file to guide workers in standardized operations. We set up CTQ key processes to control production quality. The entire line implements self-inspection and mutual inspection, ensuring no defective products are received, produced, or released. VSD adopts automatic on-load testing. After selecting the corresponding test script according to the model, the device will automatically power the product on and off for testing. Test data is recorded in the database for easy traceability. After testing, the MES system scans the product barcode and enters it into the system. The MES packaging line is connected to the VSD test system, effectively controlling which products that have passed the test are packaged. Products that have not been tested or have failed NG are intercepted and prohibited from packaging. The system-controlled packaging label also avoids inconsistencies between product and carton labels. This ensures that each product is qualified by system control.